Did you know you can make up to $100 per day using AI tools without any experience, without any hard work? In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that beginners are using right now to make money online in the USA. Make sure you watch till the end, because tool number 5 can literally change your income. Tool number 1 is ChatGPT. You can use it to write content, scripts, emails, or even freelance work. Many people are making money by offering services on Fiverr and Upwork using ChatGPT. Tool number 2 is Canva AI. With this, you can create thumbnails, social media posts, and even sell designs online and make money. You don't need design skills. AI does most of the work. Tool number 3 is Pictory AI. It turns text into videos automatically. You can create YouTube videos, reels, and even start your own faceless channel like this. Tool number 4 is ElevenLabs. This tool creates realistic AI voiceovers. You can sell voiceover services or use it for your own videos. Tool number 5 is Copy.ai. It helps you create high-converting marketing content. People are using it to run ads, write blogs, and earn online daily. These AI tools are simple, powerful, and beginner-friendly. If you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and start your AI journey today. See you in the next video.